Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking. What about you? How are you doing?
I'm also doing great, and right now I'm doing greater and the greatest just because I am having you on my channel and on my screen. You are my most favorite teacher and my great motivator, and I
Oh, thank
always love listening you, watching you. I don't know why, but yes,
you. Are also super. You are an amazing person as well, I would say, because you are doing a lot of thing in your plate, right? In your day-to-day life. And you are also inspiration for other people as well, right? Because yeah, you are working as well as you are doing a lot of things. You are managing household chores, you are managing your kids, your family members, right? So in this way, I'm also getting inspiration from your side as well, right? So
yes, ma'am. Thanks a
okay.
lot for your valuable words. But yes, ma'am, I must say one thing about you that you are speaking accurate English.
Oh,
And
thank you so much.
still, I'm just not considering myself uh, as good as you are.
Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. But yes, still I'm not getting satisfaction from my side as well. I think I need to work on top of this more and more so that I can get satisfaction, right? Because whenever we are trying to do something different, we want more and more, right?
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
I can totally resonate with your situation because you don't have leisure time for yourself as well, but still you are doing such a wonderful job, I would say, because you are a teacher, right? As well as you are learning something new, and as well as you are appearing yourself, embarking yourself on YouTube channel. That's really amazing job you are doing, right? I really sometimes think about you, how you are able to manage all the thing nicely.
But
Whenever I and nowadays Nutan ma'am is also teaching in a school,
yeah,
right? So really,
and
I am contemplating sometime about you all ladies, really.
so yes, ma'am, you are just appreciating me a lot. But literally, I want to say that you deserve more appreciation than me. You are doing great in your life as well, just because you are juggling lots of household, you are having lots of family member than me, and you are just cooking food for all the family members, and you are just managing all the household, and still you are just reading, you are doing shadowing practice, you are enhancing your communication skill, you are inspiring other, so you are doing greater and better than me. I'm realizing, yes, I'm doing teaching, I'm doing extra, but yes, you are also doing extraordinary in your life, ma'am. So you deserve more appreciation than me. And personally, sometimes you are just saying you are thinking about me sometimes. So at the most time, I'm thinking also about you. And personally, what I realized, you deserve more over you there, like on YouTube or anywhere. You deserve more, and you deserve greater and better than me. But
Yeah.
I
Sometimes I think it's totally God's hand. Whatever has happened for us good, right? So yeah, let's see in future what will happen. So yeah, I'm also I have kind of like moderation. Sooner or later, definitely things are in my hands as well.
so you are whenever you are talking to anyone, you are talking always in positive manner, and you are always spreading positive vibes. Means
Yes.
I am always watching your channel, and as you are talking about Nutan ma'am, so I'm always just mentioning most of the time your name and Nutan ma'am name. I don't know why, but in my initial day, I just loved to watch you both a lot, and I watched you also. It's still I'm watching, but I'm right now I'm also so much busy in my channel, in my all the household. So but yes, I'm watching whenever I'm just getting time in my kitchen, so I love to listen you and Nutan ma'am.
Same here, same with me. I also watch your channel sometime. But yes, sometime I think, not sometime, most of the time I think, yes, you all ladies are doing something different in your life, and we can get the kind of inspiration from your side as well, right? Okay, so let's talk something different.
Yes. So do you have any? as you are saying, ma'am, that you are reading on daily basis, so you must be having some like fantastic topic to discuss here. So just please just share something so that I can also learn something from this conversation and from your side. Just because, ma'am, nowadays I'm not reading book at all, literally I'm saying. And only yesterday I read one chapter of Sudha Murthy's ma'am books. Its name, I think, How I Taught My Grandmother. Yes, the last
Okay.
chapter I have read, and before that I have not been reading due to lack of time, and because nowadays my school timing is changed, so this is quite hectic for me, and all the things I'm just juggling happily and enjoy. I'm just enjoying, but one thing only I'm regretting, and that is I have to wake up early in the morning. So means before 4:30 I have to get up, otherwise I will be late for my school.
Yeah, same here with me. I don't go anywhere, but still I am trying to get up a little early in the morning, like sometime 4 p.m., sometime 4 a.m. and sometime 4:30 a.m. Right? So like this, in that time, I have to deliberately wake up so that I can, after a freshen up, I can do yoga, exercise, meditation, pranayam like this because it is my first priority to do. If I don't
Yes,
do, I feel myself really very regret, right? And I feel something I have missing, right? So this is the thing actually, this is my first priority and which I can't forget. Every single day I have to appear on that. And in that way, I am able to make myself happy. I'm able to do my every work in a precise manner. I'm able
yes,
to provide good environment, ambience to my kids as well. Because earlier I was kind of very negative, right? Then I started to change my thought, and just because of my changing thought, I got myself. Yes, I am something, and why I asked so many times. Still, before hit the sick, I think about me, why I'm here, who I am, what, why God has given me this beautiful life, right? I forget everything, whatever I have flaws, like whatever I have, like something negativity, right, in my life. I forget. I just focus on my positive thinking. Yes, still I have something different, right? I can I can move forward in my life with that. So this is the thing actually. When I get up early in the morning, I always get up with a sense of positivity, gratitude, and nowadays with this English language, so that I cannot forget to learn this language every single day. I have to embark myself. I have to connect with the people. So this is how my journey is going on, and I'm really very contentment with this language, right? Because this language has given me a lot of things, surprising results in my life. Earlier it was
yes.
not like that. Yeah, and I had a lot of like fear, embarrassment, and hesitation to connect with the people even in my native language. But yes, this language gives me a lot of positivity in my life. So I can say, if any person wants to change their life, they can easily change just because of like changing their habit. First you need to change your habit, so every small habit can change your entire life, right? It
Yes,
could be
ma'am.
any habit, like you can little 10 minutes earlier, you, right, you can little you can get up 10 minutes earlier and you can do your work whatever you want to do, right, for yourself, right? In that timing you can do exercise, you can talk to yourself in English language, you can do meditation, you can connect with the universe as well. So I do so because this is this
Okay,
activity
ma'am.
gives a lot of things.
Now I get a very fantastic topic to discuss. As you mentioned that to talk with universe, and
Yeah.
mostly, I have heard this from Rajni, ma'am. Are you also doing the same thing, ma'am?
Yeah, Sim, I am in the journey of process, for last 2 years. And since I'm getting a lot of good things, extraordinary things I'm getting, which I can't explain, ma'am,
Wow.
So yes, yeah, and I really believe in that nowadays. I totally believe. And you, like the person is doing, then they can think my work has already done in a positive manner, in a well manner, because God is omniscient, God is omnipresent, and
Yes.
He is always be there for me, for my work. And you can think universe is working for me. And if you have the kind of a strong belief system, and it does work, indeed it does work, right? So you have to believe on that, and you can talk in a positive manner. Like first and just I'm talking about, right? You can say with the God, you, the universe, firstly, thank you so much universe for giving me this beautiful morning, this beautiful body, this beautiful work, this beautiful day for me. I'm really grateful for this. And you have to say I'm happy, I'm positive, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I am valuable. And thank you so much universe for giving me this beautiful life. I'm really very indeed for my family members, for my children, for my husband, for my all family members, whatever you have given me till now. So you have to gratitude, just you have to do gratitude. And you can feel yourself you are fit as a fiddle, right? Like already still, if you are even, although you are not very you are not feeling very well, but still you have to say to yourself, yes I'm happy, yes I'm healthy, yes I'm wealthy, right? And
Yes.
if you are, you know, I'm also talking about my English language. I'm speaking English fluently, confidently, and impressively, right?
Yes. You
Still
are,
I was,
ma'am.
so although I was not good at it in my past, but right now, yes, I am doing better than that than the past, right? So this is the thing. Actually, this is what I believe. If you are giving to your brain positivity, then definitely your subconscious mind will already working for yourself, right? Yes, it is. She is worthy for it. She deserve for it, because she had the kind of like belief system from my side. So I have to. This is my priority. I have to give her.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, you are right. So as you are talking about like how to talk to universe, so I'm just always doing the same thing, but at the place of universe, I'm just taking name of Bholenath all the time. Means I'm always just grateful, or I'm always having gratitude for each and everything in my life. For means yes, but I'm just showing my gratitude, giving my gratitude to Bholenath always, as you are saying.
It's
And
also good. It is also
yes,
good.
that's
Yeah,
right.
but yeah, it doesn't mean like whatever like which kind of name you are taking, right? But your
Yes,
belief system should be strong, right? It could be any god and goddess, right? I am
yes,
also, I also have belief to Khatu Shyamji, you know, Khatu Shyamji. So I believe, yeah, in his. And yeah. So you believe, you are believing in Bholenath, right? So it could be any god and goddess, and
yes,
just you have to connect with them, you have to talk with them, you have to, if you are doing anything, just believe in yourself. Yes, it is done by him, because he is always be there for me. Like if I talk about if any circumstances come across in our life like a rain, so we always use umbrella, right? And
yes.
so we can assume ourselves like God is always with us like umbrella.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. And also, if as we are talking about gratitude, so if we are having positive attitude inside us, so definitely we will be grateful for each and everything, like small things. Like whenever we are just going to road, so we are just we should say thanks to this road, and who just made this road like this. I have also just heard all these things in some audiobooks, and I can say, ma'am, I'm always just be grateful to God for each and everything. And by watching you all and by listening lots of motivational things, I also just got so lots of motivation inside me. And by getting this motivation, I can say I have also just completely changed my personality, myself, my attitude. Just attitude in the sense like positive attitude, not like something overconfidence type. Yes, but I'm having confidence, I'm having positive attitude, I can claim these things. And by having all these things, I'm just feeling so much happy and satisfied with my life.
Yeah, if you have the kind of like good content, positive kind of content, you are surrounding yourself, right? Then definitely it does work for you, and you feel like I have also become like them. So you have to do your every work in present context, and you can realize, yes, in that way I am doing something different in my life. And if you are doing in a good way, in present context, you are enjoying your life, you are able to make happy to someone, then definitely your karma will come back in your life, right?
Yes. And I'm a great believer in karma.
Yeah, we should believe. We should believe,
Yes.
because if you don't believe, then it can't happen with you. So if you believe, then you will definitely going to take action for it, right? Because nothing will happen just by thinking and sitting at home crying yourself corner, right? So you have to take action on top of that. Then only it will be happen. So it was a great conversation with you. I have enjoyed a lot with you. So thanks a lot.
Same here, ma'am. And I always enjoyed a lot with you.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
bye and take care.
See you. Bye.